Alright, so gotta jack up the car. This is what I normally do because the car is being too low, so I need some like wooden underneath the car in order to jack up the car. So this is what you gotta get in the box. You got the Future Classic instruction manual, super lightweight, Future Classic spacers, anti-seize, and the brush. Lugs, bolts, and a sticker. Decal, Future Classic. Just want to make sure there's no debris, sands on the surface. And a little bit on the screw as well. One's on here, the other one's on here. You gotta line up perfectly. It's very difficult to do it in one hand. And lastly, you gotta torque your wheels. It's like 88 something, you know, but I normally do 90 just in case, you know. Oh,